TypeScript developers often mix up pick and omit, but they work in completely opposite ways. Pick selects the properties you want to keep. You pass the source type and a union of the key names, and TypeScript produces a new type containing only those fields. For example, pick of user with name and email gives you a type with just those two properties. Nothing else makes it through. Omit works the other way around. You name the properties you want removed, and TypeScript returns everything else. Omit of user with id gives you a user shape type missing only that one field. Same syntax pattern, but inverted logic. Both utilities share the same syntax. The source type comes first as a generic argument, then a union of key strings is the second. Critically, neither pick nor omit modifies the original type. They always produce fresh derived types. Your source stays exactly as it was. The practical distinction becomes clear with real examples. Use pick for API responses. You have a large model but only need a few fields on the client, so you select just those. Use omit for form input types. Take your full model and strip server-generated fields like id or created at. Match the tool to the direction your transformation flows. Pick includes by name, omit excludes by name. Both derive new types without ever touching your original. Subscribe for more TypeScript patterns. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.